Hello everyone and welcome to our ZenEstimate Steel for Structural Material Manager profile and toolset. This toolset is very similar to our ZenEstimate Steel toolset. The big difference here is that now we can do our takeoff, export out into CSV, and have it immediately ready for import into the Structural Material Manager software. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Once you have the profile installed, simply just select it. And then you will see you have the same exact tools as we have in the ZenEstimate Steel set, right? We have our cold form, various types of bars, square, flat, hex bars. We have miscellaneous channels. We have our hot rolled bar, our angles, our L shapes, our W shapes, everything you need and everything that has been included in the original set. The big difference here is that each one of these tools has been updated and customized to include the descriptions that match with the Material Manager software. So if I were to go in here and just start taking off utilizing some of these tools, I'm just going to open up my first tool set here, our cold form flat bar. You can see we have all the various different sizes. And I'm just going to take an 1/8 inch and drop a few. Again, these are the same tools. We have them in both column and beam form, right? So I'm just going to run a 3/16 beam across my page here, set a scale. And now you can see below, in our markups list, the column structure should look very familiar to you. You can see we have, of course, our subject and our label, but then we have our description, our piece mark, quantity, mill mark, length, grade, camber, remarks, column height, price unit, so on and so forth, even going to our field hours, our crane hours, and our sequence. Everything in here is the same setup as the Material Manager software. So then you can come, once you lay out your material, you can come down into the markups list and begin filling out your information here. And you can see we're automatically calculating our quantities and our lengths. And then if we were to come to each one of our parts here and just select our description, you can see we can change the various sizes, right? For our flat bar here and our flat bar beam, I can come in here and manually type my piece mark, my mill mark. Every single one of these we can adjust. Our price unit has a nice little drop down here. Our shop hours, we can type in everything we can actually fill in within Bluebeam. Now we also have the ability to fill out whatever information we want to in the Materials Manager software as well. Now once you are done taking off, there are just a couple of easy steps to get this data from Bluebeam into the Materials Manager software. We will provide you written documentation of how to do this, but I'm going to walk you through it right now. So the first thing we'll do is we will hit our output summary and select a CSV summary. From here, we are going to load a preset configuration that has been included with your profile. So we're going to select load configuration, and then we're going to navigate to our C drive. You will have a folder labeled ZenTech. Within it, you will also have another folder labeled ZenEstimate Steel Materials Manager. And then right here, this file, the Materials Manager output.bcf file, is what we will open. This will structure our output the way we needed for the Materials Manager software. All you have to do now is change your export folder if you want. It's set as a default for the C drive temp. And if you would like to change the name of the output file, you could also do that here. Once we're done, we will hit OK. From there, we could open up the Structural Material Manager software and then input that CSV file. So in order to do that, all we have to do is go to the Data Exchange dropdown, import external data. We will browse out to the file. In this case, it's in my temp C drive folder. And we'll hit import. As you can see, all of the data has been imported correctly into each line item here. And then you can go ahead and adjust and change anything that you might have missed within the Bluebeam software. If you are interested in purchasing this tool set, please check out our website at www.zentechconsultants.net or reach out to us directly and we'll be happy to help you out.